Future.
Yeah, you should have shown me where the ice cream of the future was.
It was out there in the parking lot.
Missed out on an opportunity.
But what was that, Carson?
So yeah, what Isaac is referring to is something called graupel. It's supercooled water droplets around a snow flurry, which it makes it appear as like a little stone of hail or just an enlarged sleet pellet. So we often see this when we've got some dry air aloft, and that's exactly what's going on tonight. Now, as we take a live look outside, this is atop the Plaza Tower, and in South Tyler and even in Central and North Tyler, we have had some reports of some of this graupel and some light snow falling, and it's certainly cold enough from the cloud base down to the surface to support frozen precipitation. I just don't think we're going to see a lot of it tonight. 36, that was the high temperature today. 19 was the low. Of course, that's well below normal for this time of the year. Winter weather advisories out for our central and southern counties, really along into the south of Highway 79. If we see accumulating snowfall, that's where it's going to be tonight. We do have a winter storm warning along the Texas Gulf Coast with the winter weather advisory outlining. And folks, if they see the snow that they are predicting down in the Houston area, it will be a historic snowstorm that they haven't seen since the 1800s. So this is a rare event that is ongoing for South Texas. And it looks like it's a massive snowstorm from the Red River all the way down to the coast. But folks, most of what we are seeing in our neck of the woods, it is not reaching the ground. But in some of these higher return areas, we might start to see a little bit of accumulation on those elevated surfaces. So we'll keep an eye on that trend. But again, I don't expect it to be widespread or anything like that. Here's a look at the dew points. It's very dry outside. We've got teens, we've got single digits for our dew points, and that makes up for about a 25 to 35 degree temperature difference from our dew point temperature to our air temperature. Basically what that means is the column of air between the cloud base where that precipitation is falling, that's what you see on your screen right here, and to the ground, it's very dry, and most of that is evaporating before hitting the ground. And as we look at Futurecast, not all of us see the snow tonight. Most of this is not reaching the ground through midnight, and then by 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, some of this may very well reach the ground, but again, precipitation, it begins to taper off because we do have a lot of dry air moving in from the north. By noontime, we start to see a few breaks in the clouds, and we should see plenty of sunshine before the sun sets tomorrow, before it gets really cold tomorrow night. Tonight will fall into the 20s, high temperatures tomorrow back into the mid-30s, so very similar today. I just think we will see more sunshine tomorrow than what we saw today. Low temperatures tomorrow night. It's going to get cold. So again, we sound like a broken record. Protect the 4 Ps. Well, you're going to have to do it for at least 2 more nights across East Texas. As we look at the snowfall accumulations, as I mentioned earlier tonight, flurries, no accumulations along to the north of Highway 79. That's from Palestine, Jacksonville, Henderson, pointing off to the north and northwest. A dusting is possible in that light blue. And then for areas around the lakes, Lufkin, St. Augustine, Hemphill, Milam, up to an inch of snow will be a possibility. And where we see the heaviest accumulations, that's where we could see some rough spots on those elevated surfaces. That's outlined in the yellow there, but I don't anticipate significant impact. Next 7 days, 46 Wednesday, temperatures moderate. Thursday, we're back to 52, 57 Friday, a few showers around this upcoming weekend. And as we look at deep East Texas, similar deal, maybe a couple of snow showers here and there early tomorrow morning. Moving out by the afternoon, will be dry Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday as those temperatures warm up. Isaac.